Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Forum and you are watching FMA makeup tutorials. Today we are going to do a everyday makeup look which you can just go out within 10 minutes and pop this look up. It's gonna be immensely simple and so much affordable as well as so much easy that anybody in this world can don this look. So without wasting time, let's get started. So I've hidden my dark circles and this is completely optional. If you don't want to apply anything on your face, it's completely okay. You can just don a moisturizer and that's it, what you want for this look. And I have done my eyebrows as well. Eyebrows is a mandatory thing. I would suggest it completely changes your look. I'll make a tutorial especially how to do your eyebrows later. So just to add a little bit of depth to my eyes, I just take a random brown eyeshadow and I would start working it on my crease. It could be anything. It could be your blusher which is a little brown. That's it. Here I would like to give you one more tip. If you wanna do something more to this, you can always add a little bit of glow on your inner corner. Here I'm going to use the Huda Beauty highlighter palette and I'm just going to take Capri from here on my fingertip. And I will just place this color right on the lid of my eyes and blend it with the other finger. Now again here there are two things. Either you can do eyeliner or you can just do a kohl pencil as well. I am more into eyeliners than kohl pencils. So I'll be using the Maybelline gel liner and I'll be lining my upper lash line. So here the thickness of your eyeliner depends on where are you going. If you're going just casually somewhere where you just don't want too much of makeup, you can just go for a very thin liner. Or if you want to look more brighter and more seeable, if that makes any sense, then you can go for a thicker liner. Also, if you want to see how to apply 10 different type of eyeliner, I will be linking the card somewhere here, so please do not forget to check it out if you are really interested in eyeliners. That's it. I will be doing same with the other eye as well. That I am trying to do all the basic things involved in the entire basic makeup tutorial. So now there are things which people like to do, there are things people don't like to do. You can just pick up what you like out of this video and you can don that. I am trying to get all the basic things in one video. So people who like kohl pencils can go for that. I am just doing a little bit. I don't like too much. So yeah, I'll just do a little bit. So if you see, I've kept it very basic and subtle. And guys, a secret is not a secret anymore. You guys should know that I love highlighters. I would love to wear highlighters even when I'm sleeping. I love them so much. So I would skip everything out of this tutorial but the highlighter. So that's mandatory for me. And there I go with a highlighter. So this gives you a subtle glow. You can go with this as well. I like to go overboard with my highlighter, so I wouldn't stop. Like, I need people stopping me that, Forum, stop highlighting yourself. And now a lot of mascara. So if you don't want to wear fake lashes, just don a beautiful coat of mascara. So now I'm going to apply a brown liner, a lip liner. I'm trying to blend everything with my fingers. And now on top of this, I am going to apply this beautiful NYX small lip cream, soft matte lip cream. And I am going to use the shade brown. So this is it guys. I hope that you like this look, and if you like this look, please do not forget to hit the like button and hit this button and subscribe to my channel, and you can hit here, here and here to see other videos as well. This is it guys. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, bye bye.